Yes. May I assist you?
What are we doing today, Todd?
Give me this. We're still in Washington. And we're going out on a motorcycle adventure day because that's what people say we should do. That's what we're doing. Sheila's supporting her sexy look today. This is nice. And we're in a hole. Look at this parking job. This completely slopes down like this. And we're completely like...
Chuck's gonna grunt when he has to get us out.
Yeah, trying to get out of this one's gonna be fun. It was almost disaster getting in. It's all good.
We're going to Deception Pass, I think is where we're a ride. They said it's a great ride, so we're gonna check that out.
Are we hiking today?
There's always a possibility.
Okay.
And there's a possibility of food.
Food.
We're just gonna go explore.
So this vlog will be food, fun, and frolic. The three F's.
What about the donkey? Where's he coming in?
I don't know.
Is he the fun or the frolic?
He's the, well, he could be fun or frolic. We don't know. So let's just roll the intro and then we'll see where we end up.
You're not feeling the vlogging today, are you?
I am. I'm feeling it.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up. Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Having a killer hair day. Sheila found this little place to eat. It's called the barbecue joint. So when we're on the road, we miss Kansas City barbecue.
Yeah, we have to get our fix every once in a while.
Yeah, so she finds these little hole-in-the-wall places to try.
And we're hopeful that it's good.
Hopeful. Well, everyone's dying to know.
She's from Texas, so got it. She's got it. This is a small, the owner's from Texas. She knows how to smoke some brisket.
And the ribs are fantastic. So,
very tender.
This little BBQ joint in, I think we're in Oak Harbor, gets a good thumbs up from the KC crew. So, if you're ever this way, I mean, it's nice to have a good BBQ place right on the West Coast.
Yeah, it's very tender.
We're back to doing our food reviews apparently. When we first started, we did a barbecue. We said we'd never do a food review, and here we are. And it happens to be barbecue again.
It's just fine. It's just a nice little find, a nice little hole in the wall.
The old motorcycle has taken a toll on our travels across the United States. Each bag has now a scratch marks in it from the bikes falling into it on each side.
Y'all thought I had issues about keeping things neat.
Then,
where's the baby? The baby got a scratch.
Then
on
the
him.
the electric bikes, they fell into the Indian badge, scratched that up.
I'm just looking at these little cars.
Yeah, there was a Volvo club that stopped here, look. The old Volvos. There was probably 20 to 30 of them. Then, just when I thought it was all over, the chairs got moved, and one of our horrible things, because I thought I had it strapped down real good, and I've now figured it all out. The chairs bounce over, and now I've got, so not only both bags, the fairing, it's just so disheartening. Like, kind of had a motorcycle forever, and then
well, the biggest one
Sheila's
was before we even left, and you melted your pants too.
Oh, yeah, everyone always asks. So we went on our very first trip, and I had some nylon pants for cold weather, and I melted them. Now that's just a cover, so I can buy a new cover, so I wasn't upset. So everything else is just kind of like slowly.
Just wrap it. We can just put
I'm not wrapping the motorcycle. It's such a beautiful matte finish. Anyway, all you motorcycle riders can really, truly, if you're gonna go out on the road and take your bike with you, you have to realize there's so many stories of people losing or stuff hitting their bikes and scratching them up in the back of toy haulers.
I have an idea.
Okay. We're gonna leave it behind. That's your idea. I know what you're gonna say. We're not gonna do that. Okay.
Okay, I have a different idea.
What?
We could get a Jeep and I could pull it behind me.
Of course, we could do that too. All right.
Your choice. Leave it behind.
Off on our
get
next
a Jeep.
stop.
Leave it behind, get a Jeep.
Yeah.
Leave it behind.
Yeah. You can leave a comment on what you think we should do.
They're gonna say get a Jeep.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break.
Your choice. Which direction shall we go?
I guess we go to
They
that
all
one.
have a point in front of them, so you should be happy.
Oh, shush. Then we'll choose the furthest away. Point 2. Point 4. Sheila has this thing with bridges.
I do. I like bridges.
She loves bridges.
Look at the big tree, Todd.
Yeah, she loves trees too.
Stand in that one.
That's okay. You don't need to. They don't need to see you stand in the tree.
Well, they don't need to see me, but I'm looking at it anyway.
Why are you filming just like the moss?
No, I'm filming the hike so that they can feel like they're walking on the hike with us.
Do you feel like you're walking with us?
They could just,
Do you?
they could stand up and just walk and go along with us. Trying to take them with us, Todd.
I don't think that they feel that way.
Well, I guess we'll need to ask them. Do you want to see anything other than Todd's face?
My butt?
That's the question. No, they don't want to see your butt.
Oh, I don't want to go to the bridge. The bridge we went across.
Yeah.
We're going to that bridge?
I thought you
We
said
already
you wanted
rode
to go to
across
bridge.
it. I was
wanna
wanting to go down there.
Well, then why'd you choose the up path to the bridge?
I didn't know it was this bridge. I thought it was just like, you know how you go to a bridge? This is to like that bridge. I don't want to walk across that bridge.
Well, then you chose the wrong path.
Because we can take the motorcycle around and stop up their bridge and then go for a walk. Why,
Yeah, why
put in a
walk?
mile?
I walk it.
Why do you do that?
It's not a mile, it's 0.2.
It's 0.4.
No, Goose Rock was 0.4. But yes, we can turn around if you wanted to go down there.
Yeah, I was wanting to be on the beach.
Well, we'll go this way. I'm turning you around now. We're going the other direction. Still looking at Todd's butt though. You wanted to see the bridge from the bottom. Just saying. Just saying. It's very pretty here. Deception Pass, Washington, the whole thing. Who knew?
Ah, yeah!
Obviously all these people knew. A lot of rocks. A lot of rocks.
You want a fun fact?
Is it a real one?
Yeah.
I like real fun facts.
This is a real fun fact.
Okay, I'm ready.
This bridge, I'm gonna give just a roundabouts because I remember reading it a while back, and we don't have any internet coverage or anything here. So the bridge, when they first built it, was $485,000, and it was, I think, 1937-ish in that time frame. You can check it up and leave me a comment below if you want. But the fun fact is, in 1981 or 82, they had to paint the bridge, and it cost more to paint the bridge than it did to build the bridge. And I think that's the cool fun fact.
Them damn painters.
Oh yeah. But anyway, this is a really cool thing. Jet boats are coming out, and then they take them back through because it gets really rough going back through.
It's a spectacular little spot.
Now we can take the motorcycle up across and then go to the other.
Yeah,
See
why would we walk
Why
it?
would we walk it?
Why would we
Come
walk
on
it?
now. Work with me here. See this where everyone's coming up? That's where our hike would have ended up, was right here. It was much easier to take the motorcycle up. Much easier. Wow. That is a long ways down.
Look how nice a paint job they did.
That is a long ways down.
Wait for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time.
I doubt there's crabs here. Well, they're under the rock. Unless you flip the rock over.
They're everywhere. Why is the beaches gotta be that way? Quit it, turn the camera off. They're like the same tree crab things.
No, these are bigger. Let's look.
They're down by the water. They're
See,
down
there's
there.
nothing there.
They're
You're
down-
just making it up again.
Yeah. All right, come on, let's finish this. We are wrapping up at LeConner RV Resort
I think
in
it's
Washington.
an RV park.
RV park. It is an Encore 1000 trail. The sites are tight, overgrown trees, but look at this view. You could bring kayaks down. You can hang out down here. You could go look for your own crabs. And there's actually a little hike up that way.
Yeah, and it's a great location. I mean, there's a lot to see and explore around it, so
Yeah,
I think it was a good spot.
We'll give you this one a thumbs up. If you can get to if you can find your site and get through that frustration, everything else is pretty cool here.
The large rigs, anything over 40 feet,
It's a tough
it's
one.
a tough one. There's only a few sites, but
Look at all of this though. I mean, they're out here, they're kayaking.
Sheila's looking for crabs.
All right, so we enjoyed our motorcycle ride.
I forgot.
Oh, see? Quit it. Let's just stay up here and finish this. I'm ready. I'm ready for maybe ocean life. Sometimes I used to think ocean life would be fun, but it's sometimes.
Didn't you want to be a marine biologist?
When I was in Kansas, I didn't know any different. I didn't know there was like crab things you had to worry about. Okay, it's enough. This whole channel is not about Todd and tree crabs and you know, we all have phobias. Sheila's afraid of snakes. Maybe I should find some snakes and throw them at
Here's
you.
the difference. A snake can bite me and kill me. That thing is this big and you can squash it with your foot.
No, it could cause me to go backwards, stumble, and then I would fall backwards, hit my head on a rock and die, and you would be alone on the road. You'd be like van life woman by herself.
No, I'd be in airplane mode.
That's your escape plan?
It's my escape plan.
Your escape plan
Airplane
is like,
mode.
Todd's dead, I'm flying home. We'll just leave everything where it's at.
Somebody will come and
We'll
would
call
want me
Lee.
on a-
Hey Lee, I need you to go and pick up and then drive back to Kansas City.
Yeah, I just put a for sale sign on it.
Switching Up Adventure is done when Todd dies. Now, you heard it here first, people. All right.
Guess you bet we better keep you around for a little bit.
Hope you enjoyed the motorcycle ride. And if you are on the West Coast and you're looking for an RV park and touring this area, we highly recommend going to the San Juan Islands and taking your time and doing the water taxis and all the stuff that they have over there to go explore on your own.
Deception Pass is it's just beautiful. Washington is beautiful. And I still stand by my statement that it smells like Christmas. All the pine trees.
Oh goodness, I don't smell Christmas at all. I smell wet ocean. It smells like wet ocean. We are so boring you right now. So like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy this type of content.
Why should they?
Quit it.
Why should they like, comment, subscribe?
Stop. Just leave them alone. They are, oh my goodness. You do not pick that up. Do not. Okay. We have to say we're out. Come on.
Oh, there's a bigger one.
Okay.
Okay, we're out.
We're out. We're leaving. No, I'm leaving you. Just leave them alone.
Oh, here he comes. Oh, he's fast, little sucker.
Yeah, come on.
There's a baby.
Oh, Sheila, just leave them alone.
Here he comes. I'm gonna get him for you, Todd.
You're not getting nothing from me. I'm leaving.
Which side do you need my eyes? It's so close. The only thing we're hitting is only thing we've got some soft limbs on the roof, but other than that, you are good from all back here.
We're being this tree pretty good.
Yeah, the one.
Don't want to run over this wonderful satellite he's got sitting out here.
No, is it a Starlink?
Yeah.
Well, if you hit it, I guess we can just tell him we'll take it with us. We're sorry. We did trim some trees. All right. Good job.